So with any oil change, you want to do it while the engine is warm. A warm engine is good. It makes sure that most of the debris and particles from inside the engine come out. We're going to quickly start this one up, warm up the engine, and then we'll drain the oil.
A few moments later.
Okay, so now that our engine is warm, we're going to just pull out the dipstick and the oil cap. What this does is allow the air to escape and the oil to drain faster. So we want to just undo these caps, like so, pop that in a safe space, and I just like to pull the dipstick up, and this just allows a bit of air to come in for the oil to drain out faster from the bottom. Hey, real quick, for you guys at home, if you're going to do this on the ground, please be sure to use safety equipment, jack stands, a quality jack. Don't cheap out on safety. It's definitely a big thing. So we're lucky enough to have a hoist here, but if you are at home trying to do this on the ground, please use jack stands. Throw a spare tire under the bottom, just anything for your safety. If something was to come down, you're protected. So first we're going to remove the service panel from our Z1 undershroud. This is a really nice bit of kit, and the engineers have really thought this through with just our bolt system and some little hinges here. This allows for easy access for oil changes. So first we're going to crack off our oil drain plug. Usually a quick little tap. So once the drain plug is sort of a little bit loose, you can do the rest by hand and then duck the cover. Now, if you can do this without getting any oil on you, like that, pro. You're a pro. Bragging rights, Instagram bragging right. Oh, actually I lied, I got a drop. Yeah, cut that. So we've retrieved the drain plug, and that is one sad looking gasket, and that's the reason why we replace it. Is the next time we would try and reseal this, it wouldn't seal. You'd have an oil leak. So it's very important to replace the drain plug gasket after each service.
Coming off pretty easy. So in some cases, like in this one, it's actually coming off pretty easy. I've had some instances where they're over tightened some, or they've been reused a few times. Sometimes you just take a razor blade and just kind of fold up under it, just kind of get it up on the first thread. Maybe grab it with a pair of pliers or something and just rotate it off.
Next we're going to remove the oil filter. So we're going to quickly plug that one up, and just hand tie it will be fine, and then just wipe away. And it's all about cleanliness. Clean and tidy. Okay. At a bare minimum, I recommend to at least apply oil to the O-ring to seal it properly. We're going to pop a little bit of engine oil into our filter, then put some oil around the O-ring here, and pop it back on. Yep. And just hand tight will do. No tighter than hand tight. Now again, with the oil drain plug, we don't want to go too tight. Just hand tight, just nip it, and that'll allow for the crush washer to seal, and we won't have any issues trying to get the plug off next time like I just had that time. Okay, now the oil filter and the oil's been drained, we're going to reinstall our oil, and to make this job 1,000 times easier, I'm going to pop in using our Z1 oil funnel. So this is pretty easy, literally just pops in here, screws into place, and we are ready to rock and roll. Alright, so the oil's done. We just remove our oil funnel, and this thing just made the job so much easier. I mean, like, exponentially easier. Pop this one off here. Tap, tap. Hop on the oil cap, and then we're going to quickly check our oil level. There's oil in there. We're going to quickly start the car, let it run through the engine, switch it back off, check it one more time, and we're done.
For all of your Nissan and Infiniti needs, head over to z1motorsports.com. From maintenance to performance, our team of professional Nissan and Infiniti enthusiasts are ready to assist via phone or email.